I see the colors and how could this grow? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand on the rain, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step, one step. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I loved you for 1,000 years. Time stands still. Beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away one thing from of me. Will be brave. Here we are. It has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'm gonna stop there because I'm not so good. From David. Thank you for watching. Like and dislike if you want. Subscribe if you want. So, peace.